Hi friends, this is Ami. Welcome to my channel Ami's Sari Love. This channel is dedicated to all you sari lovers out there. Maybe you're someone who likes to wear a sari. Maybe you're someone who admires when your friends and family wears a sari. So this channel is meant exclusively for people like you. So friends, if you like my video, give me a thumbs up. If there's something that you want me to change, let me know so that I can do accordingly. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my videos. Your comment, your support means a lot to me. They help me grow. They give me more motivation to make more videos like this. So today I have selected a few of my office wear saris from my entire sari collection. So today I am going to talk a little about office wear saris. When you're picking saris or when you're about to go shopping for saris for your office wear, there are a few things which you should keep in your mind. So let's talk about the three most important things that you have to put in your mind when you're picking a sari for your office wear. First thing is the color of the sari. Second thing is the material of the sari. Third thing is the work on the sari. Now talking about the colors, I would always suggest that you would go for something like black, brown, grey, pastel or light shades. Now what exactly is pastel colors? Pastel colors, I could say it is something like crayon colors, or when you use pencil colors, those light shades which you can find, that is what pastel colors are. Actually pastel colors are a very good choice for workwear. So keep in your mind that these are the colors that you have to think of. Now which are the colors that you should not pick when you are opting for office wear? The colors that you should not pick should be something like bright colors. For example, I would suggest not to go with bright red, bright yellow. Don't pick colors like that, and also stay away from flashy colors, fluorescent colors, neon colors. All of these are a big no for your office wear. Now the second thing that we are going to talk here is about the material of the sari. This is my personal suggestion, it all depends on you, but my personal suggestion is this, that don't opt material which is very stiff, because if you're going for a function, you're probably going to wear that sari for say 2 or 3 hours. But if you are going to wear a sari for work, then you have to carry that sari for probably say 6 to 8 hours, right? So you have to find a material which you are comfortable with. Try to find a material in which you can breathe. The material that I always prefer is cotton and khadi silk. These two are my favorite material when I'm picking a sari for office wear. So two things that you have to keep in mind with regard of the material is this, that don't take a material that is too stiff. Don't take a material that is like very thin and very light, so that every time you're conscious of how you look, how the material looks, is the sari standing in place, so you don't have to worry about these things. So pick a material which is in between. Pure cotton is a very good option, and khadi silk is also another option. There are so many varieties of materials that is available for workwear these days, so you can keep that also in your mind. Now the third thing that I told you is the work on the sari. Always remember not to pick sari which has heavy work, maybe embellishments, maybe sequins. If you have work like this, then don't pick that sari as an office wear. You can pick saris which have some subtle designs, subtle prints. You can opt like this for your office wear. So I have picked a few saris from my entire sari collection of my office wear saris. So let's not waste any time and go straight to our today's saris. So let's begin with the first sari. So friends, this is my first sari. This is jute silk. So let me open the sari. So you can see that this is how the sari looks. Okay. So the pallu of the sari is like this. I like the sari very much because I mostly wear this when I have any kind of a presentation or when there's something serious happening. Okay, because this is a beautiful sari in the sense you can see that there is work on the sari. There's golden color work on the sari. You can see it. Yeah, there is golden color work on the sari, and the sari is so, I feel that this is very elegant because this doesn't have any border or piping or anything. So this is how the sari goes. I'll just show you. This is jute silk. You can also pick something like this, jute silk. You can also pick something like this. There's a dog barking in my neighborhood. I'm so sorry. So this is the first sari. Again, let me tell you, this is jute silk. So now let's go to the second sari. This is actually a poly silk sari. Again, see, this is light green in color. This is the pallu of the sari. This is the pallu of the sari, and you can see that this is how the pallu looks. There is huge flower designs on the pallu, and the entire body of the sari has some small flower designs. So you can see it all over. It has these flower designs. So friends, as I always tell you, all these saris are bought from local stores. So if you are from Cochin, you can very well understand. I mostly get my saris from Jayalakshmi and Seemarti, and sometimes Kalyan Silks and Chennai Silks. But my first option is always Jayalakshmi and second is Seemarti. So these saris are got from there, and budget wise these saris are not more than 4,000. So now I'm coming to my next sari. This sari is a khadi silk sari. Very comfortable, very airy. Okay, this is a khadi silk sari. You can see that it's a beautiful sari. This is how the pallu looks. I'll show you in detail. This is how the pallu looks. It's a khadi silk sari, and it has all these, you know, brown, blue, maroon, and all these office colors or work colors. This is how the sari looks. Okay, I hope this is a khadi silk sari. As I told you, all these saris are not more than a budget of 4,000. And now let's go to the next sari. This is also another khadi silk sari. This is lavender. Lavender is one of my favorite colors. Very favorite colors. This is the pallu of the sari. The sari is going to look like this. Oh, I must say that this is so pretty and so beautiful. This is very elegant. Perfect workwear, isn't it? We must say that this is a perfect workwear. This is the next sari. All over the sari there is print like this. All over the sari there is print like this. I actually love this sari. This is light in weight, very comfortable, very airy, and above all, if the sari is worn, this is going to stay in place. That's what we all want, right? We wear a sari, we want it to stay in place so that we don't have to constantly keep on thinking, how is this sari lying? Now I'm going to one of my favorite saris. This is a sari actually we all colleagues bought together. This is a pure cotton sari. Pure cotton sari. And no designs, no prints, nothing. It's very elegant, and you can see that this is the pallu of the sari. This is the pallu of the sari. Simple sari with maroon border. Green color sari with maroon border. Lovely sari. This is actually quite, I must say that this is actually 3-4 years old, but nothing has happened to its quality. This is a beautiful sari. There's nothing in the sari, very plain sari, but once this sari is draped, or once I wear this sari, the elegance that this sari brings is so nice. This is such an elegant piece. Such an elegant piece. So I would always say that you must have at least two to three saris which are pure cotton. Now let's go to the next sari. The next sari is actually, it is a semi workwear sari. I don't call it as a proper workwear sari. It is both. That is, you can, like, sometimes some of you may feel it as a function wear sari. It's possible. So this is a poly cotton sari. The best part with this sari is because it's not pure cotton, it's poly cotton. It's not that airy like how I showed you the previous one. So this is the pallu of the sari. This is the pallu of the sari, and this is how the entire sari runs. Now the plus point with the sari is, if I take the pleats and if I iron the sari and if I set the sari and if I just put this on the hanger, this is ready to go the next day, and I literally don't have to worry about anything. How it is ironed, how it is kept, it's going to stay like that all over the day. So that is the plus point with poly cotton, and I want you to see that there are these beautiful designs. Can you see it? There are these beautiful designs towards the bottom of the sari. This is a poly cotton sari, not pure silk but poly cotton. Now we are going towards the last sari of the day. This is a pure chiffon sari. Pure chiffon sari. Now the thing with this sari is, it is a pure chiffon sari with embroidery all over it. This is a black color sari. Again, a very lovely sari. I've always received compliments every time I try to wear this. Every time I worn this sari, I remember so well. I always get so many compliments. So this is black color sari with sandal color embroidery all over it. The embroidery is so perfect that you don't find any strings hanging from the other side. See, this is the other side of the sari, not the wearing side, the other sides. You don't find too many strings hanging from the sari. So this is the sari, it has embroidery all over it. Now that was the pallu. Now let's come towards the body of the sari. Even towards the body of the sari, you have got embroidery all over. There was a point of time when chiffon sari with embroidery was very trending. I think that time has gone now, but still I receive a lot of compliments when I'm wearing this sari. So friends, these are my favorite saris from my workwear collection. So I hope you too like these saris. Let me know about what you think, your ideas, your thoughts. Do drop them down in your comment box. So friends, thank you for your time. Stay healthy, stay happy. So until we meet next time, this is Ami signing off. Ta-da!